went to the Galleria mall and I'm just gonna show you my haul. Slay bars. First, I went to the store called Kpop Trove. I literally didn't even know there's a K-pop store there. I literally just stumbled upon it and I was so excited. I got this BTS album. It's called Young Forever and it's like a mashup of 2 of their albums, The Most Beautiful Moments in Life. I've been wanting this album for years, so I'm glad I got it. The things I got, I made sure that I've been wanting them for a long time because, I don't know, lately I've just been more stingy with my money. Of course, I got BTS's light stick. I have NCTs and I've just wanted an army bomb for forever. This is like the newer version, but yeah, it was $66. One of my favorite girl groups is Twice, so I got their album Fancy You. I really just like the song. There's my 2 favorite songs in here are Fancy and Strawberry. Since I got 2 albums, I was able to get 2 photo cards. I got Jimin from BTS. I'm pretty sure this is Beomgyu from TXT. And since I followed them on Instagram, I got a free poster. There weren't really posters for groups that I'm super into, but I like a couple Red Velvet songs, so I just picked this one. It's quite large, so I think I might put it on my wall. I don't know. My stuff from the K-pop Trove totaled out to about $140, but like this is my graduation season, so I've been getting money. Next, I went to the store called Earthbound. I really like stores like that, kind of like hippie vibes. I don't know how else to describe it, like crystals and incense and stuff like that. So I got 2 packs of incense, one for spiritual healing and one for positive vibes. And then I got this incense holder with butterflies on it because butterflies have been my thing lately. And then they don't do plastic bags, so I got this reusable tote bag and it's like honey and bees and stuff. Yeah, so this all came out to like maybe, it was like under $20 because like each incense was like $3. And I went to this place called like Knots and Loops or something, and they sell crochet stuff. And so I got this little strawberry keychain and I put it on my new tote bag. So yeah, that is everything that I got at the Galleria.